In this hot weather, there is nothing more delicious than an ice cream with a lot of cream. Welcome to 3D Nail Mono channel. Please subscribe me to more nail designs for you every day. After coloring ice cream red, I made some scoops of ice cream with pink rubber base. Because I hadn't clear rubber base, so I have to use UV after every scoop to dry it, like this. I like to making a cherry on my ice cream. That became very attractive. Then I had to color it. I picked the red color. Coloring section is more an important and attractive section of the nail design. Finally, after a lot of nice details, we have a tasty ice cream. Here you are. Thanks to watching.